Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. For my old and my new subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. You see, I keep saying thank you, thank you. I mean, I'm so grateful.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So for today's video, we are going to be doing Get Ready With Me. Yes, I know I said get ready with me and I already have makeup on. I know this is not the usual Get Ready With Me that you always see on YouTube. I decided to go with another concept because I don't want to prolong this video, and this video is not all about my makeup look. Of course, you're going to be getting ready with me. I decided to do my makeup off the camera so as not to prolong this video. The star of the show, it's going to be what I'm featuring today, which is the Vshow hair. All right. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content, and if you like me, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new videos. Vshow hair, they have 100% human hair on their website. Honestly, their website is an amazing site to visit. I am not kidding you. When you get there, you're gonna feel lucky. You're gonna feel like you won a jackpot. When I visited their website, I was wowed. They have bundles here. They have bundles with closure, and they have wigs, like beautiful wigs with a lot of, you know, short lengths, long lengths, whatever one you decide, you will see it, or whatever one you desire, I mean to say, you will see it right there. Their website is one of that website that when they talk about no dull moments, like when you go there, you'll be wowed. It's so beautiful the way they created their website. It's so easy to navigate through. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much, Vshow hair, for reaching out to me to try your products, and thank you so much for sending this this wig my way. I can't wait to style it on the camera now. I am not a pro when it comes to the baby hair thing, but I'm going to give it a shot and see how it goes. And I might not even do it depending on how the wig suits my face. If I don't need to do that, I'm just going to let it go. But before I keep going on, I already talked about, you know, when you visit your website, you're going to be wowed. I am not kidding. The way you navigate through it is so easy, and most times they always have promotion. Right now that I'm talking to you, they have promotion going on, 40%, 50%. You're going to see something that you can really, you know, afford. Yes, their prices are very affordable, very reasonable. And we're going to be talking about the hair. The one they sent to me is a wig. It's 24 inches long, all right, and the density is 180%. The egg texture is water wave, all right, water wave. If I want to call it like a Nigerian, or the way the British will call it. Americans will go water. So when you hear me saying water, pardon me, sometimes I got used to it. Anyway, it's water wave, and that's what we are going to be styling today. So let me bring out the style of the moment for you guys to see. You already have seen her. I've displayed on the screen. I'll show you the density, I'll show you the texture, and I'll show you the length. All right, let's go for the styling so as not to prolong this video, and we're gonna get dressed and get ready with me. All right. Also in the box, I have the pamphlet that came with it. Is the one I'm showing you right now on the screen. Is the Vshow 100% human hair, and inside it we have information about the hair care tips, how you can take care of it daily, and the washing information as well. Also in the box, I have the wig caps, 2 wig caps that came with it. I'm actually wearing one of it in this video. So those are the 2 things that came in the box with the wig that was sent to me. This wig came in like you know, like this, and this is it. You know how they cover it, of course, all wigs. And I'm going to take this out. So this is the front. Like I said, I'm not really a pro when it comes to this. I'm just going to be concealing this with my concealer. I'm going to be concealing this with the powder that I used to contour, because that powder is dark enough to go with my scalp. That's what I'm going to be doing. Am I going to be glue it? I don't think so yet, but let me see how I can go with the flow. This is not a tutorial. I probably will go off the camera to get this done so as not to prolong the video, but I just wanted to let you all see how this is the hair is looking at the front. And also it has a comb right here, also another one at the back of it, and it also have an adjustable strap right here that you could use to adjust it to suit your head shape or head size. Yeah, and when you put water on this, the curls are going to pop more. That's why it's called water wave. All right, ladies, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dressing up, because I ended up putting glue, and like I said, I mentioned earlier on, I was not going to do any kind of bleaching, or I don't know if I said that, but I said I was going to conceal the front lace. I'm going to conceal that with my powder that I used to contour. So while I wait for the front of my hair to get laid, I'm not going to be doing the baby hair like I mentioned, so I decided to go ahead to present to you all my accessories, my purse, what I'm going to be using to dress up. So this is going to be a brunch, like a summer brunch outfit idea, kind of. It's really bright. The outfit I'm going to put it on is beautiful. It's very, very summery. So those are the accessories I'm going to be pairing the outfit with, and my outfit is yellow with a polka dots. The brand is no brand like a popular one. I just saw it randomly in the store and I just love the style. It's so chic and so elegant and very, very simple. Something that you could just wear in the afternoon to a brunch. That's how I came up with the idea of the title. I hope you all will agree with me in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and style this outfit with the accessory for you all to see. So ladies, this is how the front is looking. It might not be perfect like how they do it. I said they do it because I'm not into that baby hair thing. Maybe another time you will see it done, but today I chose not to. So you can actually part it. I'm not using any form of comb right now, but I just wanted to show you how you can, if you part it, you're still going to see that the scalp look so natural. Even though I did not do any form of bleaching, I just use a powder, you see, to conceal it, to make it look as natural as possible. So look at the scalp right there. It looks natural. So when you put more water, like you put a little bit of water, it's going to be more wavy. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit, because I like it as it's dry like this. Yeah, because I'm going to take pictures. I don't want to look that wet in the picture. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you with this. Put water and let's see how the wavy is going to show. Then I'll show you my entire outfit. Then we'll wrap up this video. I have water right here. So we just put it. Let's see. See? It's become more wavy. Look at that. Did you see that? So yeah, that's why it's called water wave. So the more water you put, it's going to become more wavy. So like I said, I don't want to put too much. All right, so and please check on Vshow hair on Google them, just like I show you on the box. You can just go ahead and Google them. Their site is fun and loving, and it's such a fantastic way to shop. I know what I'm telling you. You go visit their website. It's never a dull moment there. They have promotions going on at the moment. So visit Vshow hair and see what they've got going on for you. And also they have free gifts, I think. Yeah.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bustin' at the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. The bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody.